Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I'll discuss about conditional statement of Python. Python conditions, actually not only Python conditions, every conditions you will use either if or else. Okay, conditions means you have provided uh, a condition that either if this will happen then print true or print false. Actually this is called the Python conditions. Okay, if the condition is true then print false, else sorry, if the condition is true then print true, or if the condition is matching then print true, else print false. That means the condition is not matching, that's why else print false. This is the process and this is called conditional statement. Before diving into deep, let me show you something about these conditions. There are several things you have to use in conditions. Equals, you have to use double equal sign, not equal, that is exclamation sign with equal, less than, this is greater than or equal, this is greater than, this is less than or equal, and this is greater than or equal. These are the conditions. Let's start discussing. Sorry, this is a Python code. This will print a design. Okay, you will be able to make this design if you practice regularly and learn the course more attentively. Okay, let's first I remove this. See, here I have provided a condition that a is 5, b is 10. The condition is if a greater than b, then print a is greater than b. Let me clear more easily. If a greater than b, then print true or print. Okay, see this. If a greater than b, then print true. See, we are not getting any output because our condition is not matching, because a is not greater than b when a is smaller than b. If we will provide a is smaller than b, and see, we are getting true value. But if we will use a is greater than b, then we will not get any output. This is called conditional statement, because if our condition will be matched, then we will get the result. If our condition will not match, then we will not get any result. Okay, but see, this is a problem. We are not getting any result, but we want to see any message that our condition is not matching with the direction, or the condition is false. Then what should we do? We will use else statement here. Print false. See, we are getting the output as false because really it's false, because a is smaller than b, not greater than b. If a is smaller than b, then see, we will get the result true. This is the process, and this is called conditional statement with if and else. Now I will show you nested if else. Nested if else, let me remove this at first. Okay, no problem, you can keep this. Let's enhance the lines to, I'm sorry, chill and see, that's why I have a cough problem. Okay, what is nested if else? Nested if else means uh, a, a condition into a condition. Okay, you are declaring a condition into another condition. Look, this is the main condition, and if the condition is matching, let me clear this. True. If can be accepted. Also, look, you are giving a condition into another condition. Look, if b greater than a, then print true. Elif, if you will put a condition into another condition, then you should use elif. That means into nested if else you should use elif. Okay. Then see, if b greater than a, print true. Elif a equals b. If the value is equal to the b, also can be accepted. This is a condition. If a smaller than b, also can be accepted. This is also a condition. If all the conditions are not matching, then print false. And this is called nested if else. Okay. Actually, this is printing false because b is smaller than a. Okay. If I will provide 200, c can be accepted. If I will provide 10, c true. Okay, and this is the process. If I will provide 1000, false. This is the process. Okay, actually that's all about conditional statement. In conditional statement you can use if else or nested if else. Okay, in if else you can use this here. If the condition is matching, print true, or your message, else print false. Or nested if in nested if else you should provide a condition. If that's matching, then true. If this condition can be accepted, if this condition also can be accepted, else print false. This is the process. I wish you have understood. See you in the next video. Tada.